Dallas Tung with KW Luxury, and I am standing in front of a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, just under 3,500 square foot, asking price at just under $2.6 million. Where are we? We are in the Mesa Ridge gated community in Summerlin, and this is on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley. So this is a Toll Brothers build, single-story home, and there's lots of upgrades in there. So let's go inside and check it out. All right, walking in the front door, behind me is the courtyard with the front gate. And in front of the gate, there is a mailbox, right, for packages. And that will go straight into your garage. And of course, right behind me, you got double glass doors and then beautiful chandelier. So we're gonna enter to the center of the home, and this is the family area. Over 20-foot high ceilings. Behind me is the kitchen. Check this out. So walking into the kitchen area, we have a built-in fridge, extended cabinet going up, right? Love the color flowing from the tile flooring and up to, you know, your quartz countertop. Behind me is the garage and then pantry as well. All right, so to my right, stainless steel Thermador dual oven. You know, the accessories here kind of matches the appliances. This is one of my favorites, Thermador induction cooktop, where it's just flat, you know, it's super clean. I love these on these newer homes now. Okay, moving on from the kitchen, we're in the dining area. Love the light fixture here, just flowing down, kind of matching, flowing the color to this dining table. Behind me, of course, you can see, you know, the commercial grade windows. That way you can see the yard. And let's go check out the yard. This is one of my favorite, you know, the stacking doors, dual stacking doors, and then cornerless. So open all this up, and then now you bring your indoor, outdoor living space. So, of course, we are in this outside courtyard area now. You have 15-foot ceilings, and of course, you know, it's open, so just showing you what it would look like with you know, seating area, chairs, and stuff like that. So now let's check out that pool. So we got Pebble Tech, wet deck here, spa flowing through, water features, mountains behind me. To my right, check it out. Right in front of me is the outdoor kitchen, beautiful white tile, and then behind me, beautiful views. There's no neighbors around us. Back in the living area, of course, you got the fireplace here, which they painted this black all the way up, which is gonna, you know, just stand out. So going through back to the northeast side of the front of the house, beautiful panel windows right here. And then we have 2 bedrooms. Each are ensuite with the bathroom. And then to your left is going to be the laundry room. There's no furniture in there or anything, so that you can take a look. All right, walking into the primary, they've added a lot of upgrades here, so let's check it out. They upgraded the commercial windows on the west side. And then they've also added windows to the north and the south side. Okay, walking through the shower, tiled all across. You got a standalone tub. You know, it's beautiful. I Love this picture right here. Behind me is the walk-in closet. There's an option to kind of create a his and hers for more storage. But there's also his and hers water closet, and then vanity on the left side, vanity on the right side. All right, so we're back in the front courtyard. If you're interested in this home, reach out to me. If you see something or want to see something else, reach out to me as well. DallasTung@kwvegas.com, 702-686-1668. Thank you. Check it out. Dun, dun, dun. All right, pocket doors, stacking doors. Beautiful shower, rain shower, no rain shower. There's no rain shower. We are at the outdoor kitchen area. If you're interested in this home, you can give me a contact. No.